Hi, this is Skoggit, and today what I'm doing is I'm doing a video on a crispy microwave corn dog my way. And if you ever done corn dogs in the microwave, you know that they come out like they're soft. I got one right here, what I microwaved for 60 seconds, and it's soft. The outside is soft. Well, I'm going to show you how to crisp that up to make it crispy. Very easy to do, and it's my way. All what you need is you need a toaster. What you do with this is you set the toaster to the very high setting. Just lay your corn dog on top like this. Press it down. And what's going to happen is the corn dog, the heat from the toaster is going to toast this corn dog up. Move this a little bit closer. Maybe I can get a better view on it here. And you want to let this toast up about 25 seconds per side. And what it's going to do is it's going to get real toasty. And all what you do is you're going to be turning this just like this, quarter turns. And you just turn it a quarter turn, quarter turn, quarter turn. And what, like I say, the heat from the toaster is going to toast it up. Been toasting them like this forever and thought I'd pass it on and share my knowledge about it, because I hate to get a corn dog that's soggy. You just turn it, like I say, you just turn it quarter turns about every 25 seconds. It takes about 3 minutes maybe to make a corn dog, but it's well worth it. And as you can see, it's getting that nice browning on the outside. This one's about done. Put this one over here. And what I've done is I made another one, and this one, that one's too hot. But this one, move this one back over here. And this one I made, and it's cooled down where I can eat it and show you. But it's, like I say, it's crunchy and good. It's crunchy on the outside, and it's just good on the inside. Just a little tip I wanted to share with you. If you don't like them soggy corn dogs, and you have a toaster, this is the way to go. This is Skoggit. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there, and y'all take care.